Word. So it's G4 Legend with another FL Studio tutorial. This one's on how to add sounds and samples to the FL browser. That's this right here. Alright. So let's start. First, let me show you. If you have like a sample in your playlist already, and you want to find it and edit it and whatnot, just double click on it. Drag this to the browser. Automatically snap to it. See it? Cool. Alright. And to add sounds to the end, samples or whatever you got to FL Studio 20, you go to options, file settings. Goodness me. File settings. Go to browser extra search folders. Click this folder here. And wherever you have it saved, I have some of mine saved, or at least I can pick up something on desktop. I'm going to desktop. I drove it to my desktop. Let's see. It's Juice Sam for samples. All right. Press OK. It'll show up right now. And it shows up in alphabetical order usually. Click on that right now. And there you go. Yo, if you want to get like some really good samples too, look up, well, try to get some real ones. They might cost you a bit, but get some real cube beat samples. And I'm not gonna give y'all everything, but and the Record Collective, they're really dope. Well, that's it. Bye.